In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use synced blocks in Notion. If you've ever found yourself copying the same text, checklist, or call out across multiple pages, and then having to update each one manually, this feature will save you a ton of time. A synced block lets you create content once and reuse it anywhere, while keeping every copy perfectly up to date. Start by opening the Notion page that contains the content you want to keep consistent across your workspace. This could be anything from a weekly meeting agenda, to team guidelines, to a set of quick links. Once you're on the right page, select the block you want to reuse. You can select a single block, like a paragraph or a to-do, or a group of blocks, such as a heading followed by bullets and a callout. To select multiple blocks, drag across them or shift-click to extend your selection so everything you want is highlighted. With your content selected, hover to find the 6-dot handle that appears to the left of the block. Click that handle to open the block menu. From the menu, choose Turn into Synced block. Notion will wrap your selection in a synced container, and you'll usually see a small label indicating that it's synced. This is your visual cue that the content is now linked across locations. Next, copy the synced block. You can click the handle again and choose Copy, or simply use your usual keyboard shortcut. Then navigate to another Notion page where you want this content to appear and paste it there. You can repeat this as many times as you need, placing the same synced block in different pages, databases, or sections. Each pasted version is a live, connected copy. Here's the best part. Edit the synced block from any page, and all copies update automatically. Click into any instance, make your change, whether it's tweaking text, adding a new bullet, or rearranging items. And after a moment, every other instance will reflect that update. This keeps your content centralized and consistent, which is especially helpful for information that should never drift, like policies, contact details, or shared processes. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. Keep synced blocks focused and concise so they remain easy to manage. Before making a big change, remember that it will affect all instances, so give it a quick review. And if you're collaborating, make sure teammates have access to the pages where the synced block lives so they can see the updates. That's all you need to start using synced blocks in Notion with confidence.